Welcome to Kanama Cooks. Today we are making a prawn fry. I got inspired to try this prawn fry on a tawa the way it's done in Puthur Jayaram Hotel. The irumbu dosai kallu or the iron griddle roasts and caramelizes the prawns, giving it a very rich taste. Take a small mixie jar or a blender and add in the country garlic. Country garlic is preferred for this recipe. Add in some roughly chopped ginger. Add some red chilli powder, turmeric powder, cumin powder, black pepper powder, salt, a teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder mainly for the bright red color, coriander powder and little water. Cover the mixie jar with its lid and grind this mixture to a really smooth paste. Pulse the mixie several times to make sure that the garlic and ginger is finely pureed. Our finely ground masala paste is now ready. Set aside. Heat a wide cast iron griddle and add in some oil. Cast iron griddle is preferred for making this recipe. Add the cleaned prawns to the griddle. Medium or small sized prawns are preferred for this recipe. Indian white prawns work really well. Roast the prawns on the griddle for about a couple of minutes. Once roasted, make a small well in the center and add some more oil. To the oil, add in the ground paste. Slowly fry the paste on the griddle while tossing the prawns along. Roast well for 2 to 3 minutes till the prawn mixture looks dry. Add little oil midway so the paste fries up and caramelizes. We also need to make a sauteed onion tomato mixture for this recipe, and here is how I did it. Heat a little oil in a pan and add in some chopped onions. Add some chopped tomatoes and some salt for the onions and tomatoes to cook. Mix everything well to combine. Cover the pan with the lid and cook on a low flame for about 3 to 4 minutes. Saute once in a while to avoid scorching at the bottom. The tomatoes must get soft and mushy, and the onion should be cooked to a soft texture too. Add the prepared onion tomato mixture to the griddle. Mix everything well to combine and roast everything for a couple of minutes more. Once roasted, add a few tablespoons of water to deglaze the griddle and to get all the masalas and bits sticking to the griddle. The roasted masalas sticking to the griddle are flavor bombs. Do not waste that. Mix everything well to combine. Our prawn fry is nicely roasted and ready. At this stage, add some black pepper powder. Add some cumin powder too. And finally, a generous sprinkling of curry leaves. Mix everything well to combine. Our fantastic prawn fry is now ready. It tastes divine with some hot white rice. Hope you liked this recipe. Until next time, happy cooking, and it's me Suguna signing off. Bye bye.